Hey, Nate, I'm making tea. Come on out.
Coming! Mom, is everything okay?
Yeah. Oh, a letter came for you today. Here you go. Well,
Mom, I got accepted.
let me see that. Nathan,
What's the matter?
I'm so sorry. I'm excited for you, but we really can't afford to send you here right now. Maybe there'll be some other way.
It's okay, Mom. God will work something out.
Great job, class. Remember, tomorrow we have the all-county concert. And I got a phone call yesterday saying that there are going to be some college reps there, possibly giving out scholarships. So please do your best if you're interested. All right, on that note, any questions? Yes, Sam.
So, what about the auditions?
The auditions. Yes, thank you. After reviewing the auditions, Nathan won. Congratulations, Nathan. Any other questions? No? All right, class dismissed.
It's my part now.
Gotta get going.
Where do you think you're going?
I got places to be.
I'm not finished yet.
Sorry.
I get it. I have things I need to do as well.
Just the thing is, I'm practicing for this part, and I have the chance of getting a scholarship out of it.
Oh. My church is holding auditions. They're looking for a saxophone player for an upcoming worship night.
Really? I mean, I never play worship music, but if I'm asking, what's the name of the church?
I'll write down the information for you. Here you go. Sure to keep ice on the wound until the swelling goes down.
Mm-hmm.
And you're free to go. I wouldn't recommend playing for a couple of days, though.
Whoa, what do you mean a couple of days? This concert's tomorrow. There's got to be something, anyway, anything.
I'm sorry. You have to rest.
Nate, what happened? Are you okay?
Ran into a wall at school.
Let me see. You got in a fight again, didn't you?
Mom, don't start with it. I just ran into a wall, okay?
I don't think you did. I'm gonna call the school right now and get down to the bottom of this.
Mom, drop it. I'll be fine. Just leave me alone. Jeez.
Hey, Nathan. Good to see you.
Lily, what are you doing here?
Well, I do go to church here. I wanted to help with the worship auditions. So you fill out your information here, and they'll be with you shortly. Good luck.
Thanks.
Nathan, Come on back. I'm sorry about that.
It's all right.
Hi, Nathan. I'm Mr. Smith.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Come on in. Have a seat.
Nathan, thank you for auditioning. We'll be in touch.
Thank you for the opportunity, sir.
You're welcome.
So, how did it go?
Went all right, I guess.
Oh, I'm sure you did great. I could hear you from out there, and you sounded incredible.
Wow. Nathan can play.
Well, what about Sam?
Sam was fine, but he just didn't bring it like Nathan.
To Jesus I surrender. Make me Savior, wholly thine. Fill me with thy love and power. Truly know that thou art mine. Oh,
Thank you all for coming out tonight. It's getting ready to get just a little bit more special because we're going to present an award to a special young person chasing a special dream. So on behalf of the church, it gives me great honor to present a check of $20,000 to Mr. Nathan James. Hey.
Hey! That was amazing.
Thank you so much.
That final part, like, I have no idea how you did it, but that was incredible.
You did okay, I guess.
Thanks.
Was that the guy?
Never seen him before in my life.
Okay.
You did great, honey. I'm so proud of you.
Thanks, Mom.
Who's your friend?
Oh, Mom, Lily, Mom.
Hi.
Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Well, I'll leave you guys to it. You did great.
Thanks.
Bye.
So, wanna go grab some coffee?
Sure, I'd love to.
Yo, let's go! Mom! I got accepted! Yes! Now we can afford it!
picture, so much bigger than I ever knew. His love makes the grass a little greener. Oh, I've never seen the sky so blue. People don't know why my eyes are so much brighter. Oh, I'll tell you, man, they haven't got a clue. Well, I've seen the light of God's grace shining on Christ's face, 'cause I'm looking with a God's eye view.
I surrender all. I surrender all to thee, my blessed Savior. I surrender all to Jesus. I surrender only at His feet I bow. Holy precious, all forsaken, take me, Jesus, take me now. I surrender all. I surrender all to thee, my blessed Savior. I surrender.
So demanding, he puts a smile on your face, convinces your soul to feel brand new. Oh, with the God's eye view, I'm going to share with you a little secret. Pass it around because I found it's true. That life is more, much more than how you see it. Oh, God's in every little thing you do. So find your dream, for Christ can help you meet it. He'll fulfill the deepest